elevators here at the Ellis garage here in San Francisco, California.
Let's get the one that goes down. I need this car.
These are Dover elevators, traction ones, and they have multicolored buttons.
What are you talking about?
You'll see.
Oh, these are fun.
Yeah.
Oh. That's cool.
Switch on 2.
Look at these door frames. They're like very skinny.
The blue floor.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
This panel is non-88. This one is.
Yeah, that's really high up.
They're very powerful.
Here, look at this. Is there anyone out there?
I like how they copied some of the colors.
Christmas tree.
Does it do it come up to this level?
No.
Should have gone up.
Oh.
You pressed down.
Oh.
Or I pressed down.
Button's broken over here. What were you going to?
Shit, I think this button doesn't work. I was going to 5. I'm so sorry.
No, you're good.
Hello?
What do you want to go to?
Sure.
Dang, these buttons are worn out.
Here, I'll try to.
Yeah.
It worked on mine.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
That's weird. Some of the buttons work on that panel.
Yeah, that's some of them
don't work on this.
Yeah, the contacts are just gone.
This is the Ellis Jowevator lunch. Also has Dover impulse, but they don't insert
4,000 pounds, 27 passengers. Very cool Dover traction. That'll be it.